Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to connect and pair our PS5 media remote with our PS5 console. So let's check it out. We have been using our PS5 media remote for so many months and it really comes handy when we are using our PS5 for media content. We don't regularly use our PS5 to watch Netflix or Prime, but we have been collecting our favorite movies on 4K disc like this and we use our PS5, the disc edition, to watch them. During all this media remote from PlayStation is really helpful. To connect or pair our PS5 media remote with our PS5 console, we have to make sure of two things. First, we have proper working two AA batteries inside the remote. Second, then we should have a DualSense controller or a compatible TV remote to follow the steps. Now switch on our PS5 and take our PS5 DualSense controller and go to settings. Select that. Go to accessories. Select that and then go to media remote, select that and select setup media remote. So this is the page where we will be doing the pairing process. Now we have to press the X button on our controller to continue. Now take our PS5 media remote and put this in pairing mode. To do that, we have to press and hold the PS logo button, this button and this options button at the same time for a few seconds. This one and this one, press and hold for a few seconds. We will have this light blinking at the top. Then it will be connected. That's all. Now we can use our PS5 media remote to continue the steps. So we can also configure this as our TV remote as well. We can choose next. Checking your TV was recognized and your media remote is now ready to use. So we just have to check whether the volume buttons are working. Volume up, working, volume down. Okay. So choose it's working. Okay. So yeah, that's all. Now if we go to settings, accessories, general, Bluetooth accessories, we can find our media remote connected here. Suppose if we want to disconnect this or delete this, we can select this and we can choose the option we want. That's all. Now we can go to this media tab and access the OTT apps we want. Let's say I choose Prime. I'll randomly open a movie now. Yeah, this movie, I really enjoyed this movie. I'll open this. And I'm going to use the options available on the PS5 media remote. So these are the options we have on the remote. We have volume controls, microphone, mute button, back options, play pause, forward rewind and quick access to some popular apps like Netflix, Spotify, etc. I can use the media remote to do all the functionalities. Yeah, that's all. It is pretty convenient to use this while watching media content online. Now let's see how this works for our 4K disc. Ready Player one of my favorite movies. So I'll choose the play option. It will take some time to read the disc. Okay, we have these options. Resume, start, over. We have all these options. Scene selections. I'll choose this.
Holiday kept track of every movie he ever watched, the week and the year he watched it.
Okay, we have to use the media buttons. So all these buttons are working fine. I have no issues. These are the steps to connect and pair PS5 media remote with Sony PS5 console. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.